Imagine a natural sweetener that doesn't just avoid raising your blood sugar. It could actually help your body use insulin more efficiently. It sounds impossible, right? But deep inside, what most people think is a sugary syrup, molasses may hide something extraordinary. New studies suggest it can help support healthy insulin function, reduce post-meal glucose spikes, and even protect your body from oxidative stress, if you use it the right way. But before you rush to the kitchen cabinet, you need to know, not all molasses is equal, and too much can backfire. So today, we'll uncover how molasses really works in your body, what type to choose, the safest way to use it, and when not to take it. What makes molasses different? Molasses is often misunderstood. It's the dark, thick liquid left behind after sugar is extracted from sugarcane. While white sugar is stripped of nutrients, molasses keeps what's left behind: the minerals, antioxidants, and plant compounds that actually slow down how sugar behaves in your body. That's the key difference. Regular sugar spikes your blood glucose quickly. But the minerals in molasses, especially magnesium, chromium, and iron, can help your cells respond better to insulin and make the glucose rise more gradual. In simpler words, molasses slows the sugar roller coaster. The science behind it. In a study published in the European Journal of Nutrition, researchers tested meals with different amounts of molasses. They found that even when people ate carbohydrates, adding a small amount of molasses led to lower insulin requirements, meaning the body didn't need to release as much insulin to process the same food. That's a remarkable finding, because insulin resistance is when your body needs more and more insulin just to do the same job. By easing that demand, molasses may support better metabolic balance. Scientists believe this happens because molasses contains natural polyphenols, powerful plant compounds that may help pancreatic cells work more efficiently and improve how glucose moves into the cells for energy. Molasses as a natural carb buffer. Another study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that molasses can slow the absorption of sugar and starch in the intestines. That means fewer sudden glucose spikes after eating, and a smoother, more stable energy curve. How? Molasses seems to naturally inhibit some enzymes, like alpha amylase and alpha glucosidase, that break down carbohydrates into sugar. So, when you use molasses with a high-starch meal like rice, potatoes, or bread, it may delay how quickly those carbs turn into glucose. That's why it's sometimes referred to as a natural carb blocker. The right type. Blackstrap versus light. Now, not all molasses are created equal. The darker the color, the more concentrated the nutrients. Blackstrap molasses is the richest form. It contains higher levels of magnesium, potassium, and antioxidants than light or regular molasses. Those antioxidants don't just support insulin function. They may also help protect cells from oxidative stress, one of the hidden causes of inflammation and aging. So, when choosing molasses, look for unsulfured blackstrap molasses, ideally organic and minimally processed. Avoid light molasses if your goal is metabolic or antioxidant support, since it's more diluted and less nutrient-dense. How to use molasses safely. Here's where most people go wrong. The dose and timing matter a lot. If you're aiming to support insulin sensitivity, studies suggest that 1/2 to 1 tablespoon per day is the sweet spot. Going over 2 to 3 tablespoons may actually raise your sugar intake too much and cancel out the benefits. So, how do you use it effectively? Best time: with lunch, especially if you're eating a starchy meal like pasta, rice, or bread. This timing helps your body process carbs better during the day, when your metabolism is naturally more active. How to take it? You can dissolve 1/2 to 1 tablespoon in warm water or mix it into oatmeal, yogurt, or even tea. Avoid combining it with sugary foods or desserts that can overload your system. Avoid taking it at night. It may delay digestion and interfere with sleep metabolism. Bonus benefits. Besides its role in supporting healthy insulin response, Blackstrap Molasses is also a surprising mineral booster. It naturally contains magnesium, important for over 300 metabolic reactions, including glucose control. Iron helps prevent fatigue and supports red blood cell production. Calcium and potassium, essential for muscle, nerve, and heart health. And because it has antioxidant activity, molasses may also reduce oxidative stress, one of the drivers of inflammation and insulin resistance over time. That doesn't mean it's a miracle cure, but it shows that a natural food, used smartly, can make a measurable difference. When to avoid it? There are a few cases where molasses isn't ideal. If you have diabetes and take insulin or blood sugar-lowering medication, you should consult your doctor first, because molasses still contains natural sugars. Also, if you're following a very low-carb or ketogenic diet, molasses might interfere with your carb goals. And if you have iron overload conditions like hemochromatosis, you should avoid it due to its iron content. So remember, it's about balance, not excess. Let's recap. Molasses isn't just another sweetener. It's a mineral-rich byproduct with surprising benefits. It may help your body use insulin more efficiently by supporting pancreatic function and slowing carbohydrate absorption. Choose Blackstrap Molasses, use 1/2 to 1 tablespoon daily, and pair it with starchy meals at lunchtime for best results. Always stay within safe limits. Natural doesn't mean unlimited. Your small daily choices can make a big difference in how your body handles sugar. So next time you reach for a sweetener, remember, a spoonful of the right kind of molasses might actually work with your body, not against it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's managing their blood sugar naturally. And let me know in the comments, have you ever tried molasses for your health?